In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website on Leadpages in just 5 minutes. Whether you're creating a portfolio, a business page, or just a simple personal website, this walkthrough will guide you through the process smoothly. First, open your web browser and type in Leadpages into the search bar. Once the search results appear, make sure to click on the correct link to navigate to the Leadpages official website. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If not, you might want to pause this video and create an account before continuing. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your account dashboard. To start your website, look for the Sites section. This is where all the website creation magic happens. In this section, you'll see a purple button labeled Create New Site. Click on it to begin the fun part. After clicking the button, you will be directed to the Template Gallery. This gallery showcases various site templates that you can choose from based on the style and functionality you want for your website. Spend a little time here, exploring and previewing different templates to see their features. Once you find the one you like, click Start Building to select it. Now you'll be prompted to enter a name for your site. This is primarily for your organizational purposes, so choose a name that reflects the theme or purpose of your website, making it easy to identify later. With your template chosen and site named, you can now begin customizing using the drag-and-drop builder provided by Leadpages. It's all about tailoring the site to your liking, so start by dragging pre-built sections like About or Call to Action from the left-hand toolbar onto your page. You can also drag widgets such as text boxes, images, or buttons to add more personalized content. Now let's add some flair to your website by adjusting the background colors, padding, and button styles. A little tweak here and there could make a huge difference in your site's overall appearance. Don't forget to also modify your site's main header and navigation menu to ensure a polished and professional look. For those needing interactive elements, consider setting up forms. You can do this by dragging and dropping form widgets onto your page where you need them, perfect for capturing visitor information or gathering feedback. Before you publish your website, it's a good idea to check how it looks across different devices, desktop, tablet, and mobile views. This ensures your site offers a seamless experience no matter how visitors access it. When you're satisfied with everything, head to the top right corner of your screen and click Publish. Your site is now live for the world to see. Congratulations on building your website on Leadpages in 5 minutes. Happy creating!